I'm Sammy. Welcome to the Gig House Kitchen. Let's mix. Since yesterday was pancake day, I thought I could show you something to wash them all down with. So I'm going to show you a twist on a classic Navigator. So let's get mixing. So I thought we could use something a little bit sour to cleanse our palates after all those buttery pancakes yesterday. And there's nothing better than a Navigator. A Navigator cocktail usually comprises of 3 ingredients. You have gin, limoncello and pink grapefruit juice. However, today I'm going to sub out the limoncello for Passionfruit Liqueur because I thought everyone might be a bit lemoned out after yesterday. If you're anything like my family, we have lemon and sugar on all our pancakes, so you know, I thought change it up. I'm also going to be adding a vanilla syrup because I think passion fruit and vanilla goes really, really well. So instead of rambling, I'm just going to show you how we make this. So, as always, I need my Boston glass, and to this I'm going to add 1.5 shots of gin, 1 shot of passion fruit liqueur, 1.5 shots of pink grapefruit juice, and a small dash, helps if you open it first, of vanilla syrup. Now I'm not going to add too much because the passion fruit liqueur is already quite sweet and I don't want to make this drink too sweet. I just want to balance out the grapefruit because, as you know, grapefruit can be quite bitter and I don't want it to be. So to this I'm going to add my ice. Tiny bit too much in it. Oh no, pretty good. Smack it and give this a good long shake. Whoa! Clearly didn't give it enough of a pat down, but sometimes that happens. I remember once when I was working in a bar, somebody got a Boston glass out of the glass washer and used it almost immediately. And if anybody knows anything about thermodynamics, you don't really want to put a boiling hot glass with ice because they began shaking the cocktail and it happened to be Brandy Alexander, I think it was, and they ended up smashing it in the glass, cutting their hands and covering everyone, including the back bar and the customers, with Brandy Alexander. It was not a good night. Now we've got that together, I'm just going to pop off and grab my glass. So off camera, I've just been allowing this to sit and chill with some ice and water in it. And we do that because it's always nicer to have a drink out of a cold glass. It actually does change the flavour. I've got my Hawthorn strainer and I've got my special little tea strainer because this cocktail needs to be double sieved because it does not have ice. So let's go. Oh yeah, it looks beautiful. And with this, I'm just going to give it a lemon garnish. You could probably use grapefruit as well, but I think it's probably a bit of a diminishing return really because all you really want is the citrus aroma and you'll get that better with an orange. Because you find grapefruit rind doesn't really have the same texture as a lemon, it's quite often quite soft and so you don't get all the oils off and I don't think it looks as nice. This has a much nicer contrast against the pink. So there you have it, a Passionfruit Navigator. Thank you for joining us. If you like this episode, please don't forget to subscribe and smash that like button. See you next time and let's mix. Bye!